And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We've got a warm one tonight. Lows only 70 to 75 with a southwest wind continuing. It'll get a little more humid, but it's not going to be oppressive or really muggy. The higher humidity really begins to come in tomorrow. Partly cloudy, a high of 92 with the higher dew points, the heat index rising to 96, and in some places up around 100 degrees with storms developing. Still a pretty strong wind from the west-southwest and southwest for much of the day. There you see the highs anywhere from upper 80s north to around 90 to the low 90s as you go southward. Now on Thursday, just a partly cloudy day, still pretty humid, a high of 91, heat index 96. Nothing more than a couple isolated storms late in the day. But there will be much less wind on Thursday. So you combine that with still some pretty high humidity. It's going to be a little stifling on Thursday because of that lack of wind. 87 to 92 will do it for highs viewing area wide. Now, severe weather risk for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. It's a slight risk. I think the best chance of there being an upgrade to enhanced would be pretty much the Indiana state line with Ohio and eastward. Right in this zone, there'll be a band of slightly higher mid and upper level winds. So there may be a little higher severe weather risk in this zone. So right now anyway, that's the best potential of seeing the upgrade to enhanced. We are in slight. We'll wait and see. If the winds are a little farther west, we'll have an upgrade. If they stay where they are, we'll just end up in slight. Nonetheless, scattered severe storms possible, generally in the 2 to 7 p.m. time frame. Yesterday I was saying about 3 to 8. I just moved it back about 1 hour. Main threat's wind. Secondary threat would be a little hail. There are some of the patchy mid-level clouds this evening, giving way to clearing skies tonight. Partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. And then we watch the storms develop up here in the north. This is 1:30. By 3, there are the storms depicted on the model right here, and they keep going southward, again with some severe weather risk here. This is 4:30. Finally by 5:30, and there is 6:30. Storms down in Montgomery County. Otherwise, they're pushing out. A little lingering rain around 9, and then everything kind of jets out of here. And on Thursday, you can see just partly cloudy. Again, maybe an isolated storm or two, and that would be it. Now, Thursday night, we'll watch Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas, because it looks like there is going to be a complex of severe storms that form out here. When you see these big plains storm complexes develop, what they do is there's so much rising air motion with them, the air pressure near the surface drops. And with the Coriolis effect, with the spinning earth, you can form a little vortex, a little low called an MCV. And that MCV will likely move eastward. Even though the storms fade, the MCV moves right over us Friday, most likely in the morning. The current thinking is that MCV will fire new storms in Ohio and eastern Indiana Friday afternoon. Tracks a little farther west, we get in on a lot of those storms. Right now, though, the best chance is east of us. Then it's a dry but very warm to hot weekend. And then we watch the remnants of the tropical storm or hurricane moving northward to bring us rain on Wednesday. Of course, Chad's blog, WLFI.com, the Precision 18 weather app. You can check that out 24/7 for the latest weather updates. Dry weekend, but very warm to hot. 92 Monday, 90 Tuesday. Much cooler with rainy weather Wednesday.